Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Comparison tests for infinite series can be tricky, but we will solve this specific problem together in 3 simple steps. Let's go. First, find an upper bound for the numerator. Since the cosine of k never exceeds 1, the expression 2 plus cosine k is always less than or equal to 3. Next, we divide that entire inequality by k cubed to match our original series. This shows our terms are always smaller than 3 over k cubed, which is a perfect comparison series. Because 3 over k cubed is a convergent p-series, our original series also converges. This confirms that option C is the correct choice. Well done! Scan now, watch signs to avoid a rush, trust given values, and check steps to ensure you find the right convergence series.